Car.
Apparently it's a green car.
Nah, I think he's lying. I think he's mocking.
I hope he's mocking it.
Oh, it's the fucking fryer farm. Pussy farm.
Fryer or air fryer? So both.
3, 2, 1.
I have chance to win.
Man, them are on the car. Boss, man. Next year, said he's coming, yeah?
He's going, yeah?
Yeah, next year. Eddie's in the back. Look at Mr. Mysterious over there. Oh. Made it. We made it. Look. We made it.
We're gonna see Tyson out there as well. Apparently he's going.
You know, I forgot them glasses. Damn.
Yes.
I forgot them glasses. I left them at home. It is what it is.
Why are you wearing glasses for?
Bro, it's just blue light glasses.
No, here, no.
It's same glasses he's wearing.
Blue light.
Don't worry about it.
Okay.
Shout out TikTok shop.
Like, when I was getting these, I had to get the blue light ones because I need those.
Are we dumb?
No.
No, you just have to. I'll hope this fence me. Whether we're leaving
inside.
behind, it's been hot. Look at it.
I saw this shit, I was like, Kez.
Whether we're leaving behind, well, you know about Lee's Radford. Mandem, are we here? Mandem, are we here?
We're here.
We're here.
We're here.
We're here. Where's here?
Well, currently, we are at Leeds Bradford Airport. But, where are we going?
Where are we going?
Where are we going?
Where are we going? Run him outside.
189. I said 189.
Yeah, but we'll usually down to 150 euros. For calculation.
Because
these are the
Bruh,
because he wasn't adding on.
when I went to our
I put
flight,
in the group chat.
when I was chilling, we dropped to TikTok.
See,
Go
I
and
didn't-
check
he
out my
didn't even
TikTok. I'll be
know. I didn't
dropping
know.
there.
Yes, you can see. Oh, you don't message.
vibes.
When I message, no one sees. Yeah.
Man, them already arguing. You know the vibes.
No arguing.
No arguing.
Yo, I'm good on camera, man.
Anywho.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side.
Look at the sun, bro.
Where are we?
Portugal.
There we
We're in
are.
Portugal.
There we
And
are.
what are we in Portugal for?
Enjoyment.
Enjoyment.
Look at him coming over. Wait on the other man them though. Oh, sun, land. Oh, feel different.
Hot chick, niggas know hot chick. Niggas are hot chick.
Oh, where these other man at though?
Flava, I saw Flava.
Chasing leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left.
Legendary holiday. If you don't have car troubles. Last year, what did we have? Our taxi broke down. This year, we can't even find where we've rented a car from. But when we find it, we'll find it. You see me? Oof. Let's give us a little look at the outside of the airport.
This wasn't the same airport.
Yeah, it was, man. Then we
Where?
had to cross there to get our ball, remember?
Weather's beautiful. Ooh, straight for me, daddy.
No. 150 for him, nigga.
Whose bag is this?
Yeah,
bro?
yo.
Whose bag is this?
Yo.
Whose bag is this, bro? Yo.
Whose bag is that? God, niggas, stop touching niggas' bag, bro.
That's not mine.
Okay, leave the bag. It's not ours, innit? Leave the bag.
That's our ride right there.
That's our ride. We decided to stay behind. These men are gonna go and get dropped off at the car rental and then come back and pick us up. Again, long day. With a car. They've just come back with a car. Apparently it's a green car.
Nah, I think he's lying. I think he's mocking.
I hope he's mocking it. I hope he's
I've never
mocking
seen
it.
a green car here.
I haven't seen a single green car.
Black, white,
Blue,
line, yeah.
like dark blue, deep blue. I hope it's not a Renault again though. Yeah, I can't say no more. Let's flip the car. Maybe it might be that Merc though.
Whoa, popping a perk and a dash out. Robbing niggas with my mask out. Ain't no need to get the cash out. Not sure they really.
Meanwhile, somewhere else, this is JP, one of the other guests you'll be seeing a lot of. Let's just say his Uber broke down. Middle of the M-Way too. Long day. So he just called us. We'd gone past him on the motorway because our hotel isn't too far from his. No, his hotel isn't too far from our villa. But oh my lord, were we creasing. This is just JP calling us back, letting us know that he's managed to get an Uber because we were going to go back for him. And yeah, he was just explaining that the taxi broke down and the other taxi just wasn't coming. Laga. Hey.
No, brother.
Respect. We're in the building. Monday, gas, Monday. Let's go upstairs.
It's live up here, bro.
Yes.
Is that shower bed?
No, 2 bathrooms.
Bro, this all. Bro, this.
Oh! This is all acting, bro. We got bro, balcony chat. Man, damn, ball session right here. Bro, look at all the man them turning into content creators. Lies up. Liza. Just. Come, they're in the calma semana, man. Anyway, we've arrived. We've we've not unpacked. We just put the bags in the thing. Of course, they didn't lock their car. Now we're off to go and get some scran. Go and get some food and that. Nothing crazy. Oh, I didn't even try here, but we've got a little space here that we're gonna be kicking some ball around. You know the vibes. Back at our baby. Yo, no. You, no. Living in BT. Yeah.
Create the airport, go to Portugal. Can they get you ready? Yeah. Security done? How was your security process? Wow, like
Easy.
Yeah, bro.
Easy. Mine don't have liquids. Easy.
Mine was easy as well.
Mm-hmm.
Right. Yeah, I'm gonna play Portugal. But Emma's all the way down there somewhere. We didn't sit next to each other. Sorry, not paying that extra money. Get somebody else to do it.
Back. 140 quid later of shopping.
You're not drinking, nigga.
We're gonna fill up the thing. And yeah, then we're gonna decide what rooms we're in. This one is giddy. It's giddy to decide what rooms we're in. Receba, caras. Bro, why did you not close the door to pee, bro? Special done.
Just touched down at the airport.
Wait, chill.
You know what you should do? 150. 30 minutes.
Look at him, he's learning how to use the oven. Under my back, we got some local pizza, local thing. Stocked up the fridge a little bit, you know the vibes. Got a couple things. You happy with the shopping?
Serious shopping, bro.
Serious shopping. You happy with the shopping?
Shop.
I don't know, as long as I don't have to pay, I'm happy. This is personal.
This is personal. That's personal.
Is it personal?
That's personal. Is it personal? That's not personal. Nothing in that's personal. Oh, nothing in that's personal. Nothing in that's personal. That's not personal. Blake, let me explain what these men are shouting. Explaining it. So basically, when shopping, we all split the shopping, but then obviously whatever you got personal is personal, so you got it for yourself. So that is discounted for how much everyone has to send in total for the food for everyone. That's why everyone's shouting, that's not personal, that's not personal, that's not personal.
You're really personal. You have to go, like, not by yourself, but.
You're not gonna lie, yeah? We could actually take this table upstairs, you know.
For what? Outside?
Yeah, outside.
Yeah, that's right.
We could, but that's wrong.
Right,
Outside,
but yeah, that's what personal means.
outside
Long story short,
I mean,
if you bought it for yourself, it's personal. Like me, I got this is personal. It's personal. Is it personal, bro? Is it personal?
caralho.
It's not a toaster, is it?
No, fam.
What is it?
Bro, it's a fucking fryer, fam.
Pussy fam. Fryer or air fryer? So we're both wrong. We're not unboxed.
Why you unboxing it, bro?
How do you want me to get it?
We don't have oil. Why do you need to get it out?
Okay, but no one said that. You just said to get oil as well. So we bought chips with no oil.
For oven making.
Oven baked.
Oven baked chips.
They're
You
good.
the
They're
fuck,
good.
bro.
You know what? If you're picking on me, if you're picking on me, the dishwasher.
Oh, man, them are dying, bro.
Let you girls cook.
I don't know if man them are making it out this holiday.
You was the first one, bro.
Bro, pre the kitchen in the night. Woo! Woo! Explain. So we got a chooser up. You just hold your finger. Wait. And he wins. It picks the winner. So we're doing it for a room. There's only 2 rooms at this 3. It sleeps 5, right? 5. So you have to win 3 times. You get a room. 3. You get a room. You get me. He doesn't even really win a room. These 2 are gagging for a room. He don't really care. So let's go.
To participate, bro.
You ready? 3, 2, 1.
I have chance to win.
Down.
He has no chance.
One on Eddie. Okay, we go again. 2 on Eddie.
Okay.
Let's go again.
By force, he's not having a room, bro.
Oh, it's not by force, it's by...
1 on Flaps. 1 on Flaps. 1 on Flaps.
1 on Eddie, 1 on Flap.
I can feel it.
2 on Flap.
2 on Flaps, 2 on Eddie.
Okay, game.
Chill.
1 on Sergio.
2, 1. It ain't looking good, bro.
2, 1, 1.
I've got one.
Okay. Oh, shit, I feel it.
1, 2, 2.
Look at this guy changing the screen.
Flavio, if he gets this one, Edgar, they get a room.
2. And I got 1.
If any of you, man, you get a room.
I'm pissed.
I'm
Man,
Wait. Shit. The niggas that actually have rooms, they're gonna be bored, bro.
This brother wanted a room, bro.
Oh, he wanted rooms?
He wanted a room, bro.
Oh, that's... Niggas got his
You man can decide which one's in it.
What would it?
Man, you're watching it. No, this is the outro. And then we can watch it.
Okay.
So, man, first night, yeah.
First night.
We're about to all go bed.
Bed?
Yes, nigga.
Bed.
Bed.
It's late.
It's late. Man, have been active. We got food we've eaten. Dishes been washed.
We've decided rooms.
I did not win one.
Man, jet lag's got a serious, man.
Bro, serious thing. It's a sleep thing.
Nigga said jet lag. Motherfucker.
Anyway, deuces.
Alright.